Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the theme in the Overcast application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the settings button on the top at the left. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see a sign that is called theme. And just click on that. And you can choose light theme and dark theme colors. So if you want like a darker color, then you can just opt for this lilac color. And you can also set a dark theme. So if you just click on this white circle, then your application will be in this mode until you change it. And if you go back, you will see that it's now dark and it has the purple color everywhere. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.